So far, we've really been focusing on creating survey points within the database. But as we started off working with points, we see we can easily create points within the drawing. So let's create or open a drawing here. Our COGO points drawing 0307, and we're going to create some points. We're going to, of course, go to our Home tab, create ground data panel, and again choose the point creation tools. This is such a better way to work with it because you also then can quickly change any of your settings if you so desire as well. Maybe we want to change our default description. Well, let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to create some points. One of the nice tools here is we can automatically create points, and when we do that, it's simply going to find any location where the software, in this case, feels that a point may be appropriate. Obviously, that would be the end and beginning of an object like this, but wherever there's intersecting objects would be another good location for a point. So I'm going to select this object, press enter, and notice it automatically added points at every one of those locations. This object is a parcel segment. It only has a beginning and an end, but it was able to recognize all of the locations where there are intersecting segments of other objects and place the points for me. Another way we can automatically create points is through some of these other settings, such as using the alignment or a surface. Let's make some changes here to our default description. We're going to say our default description is oak, and we'll say oak 12, a little bit smaller. And then we're going to choose to measure an alignment. It says select the alignment, so we're going to come and select this alignment here, the one that wraps around. It says starting station. Well, we're going to be placing trees along this alignment, so we can just maybe start around station 50 here. And then it says ending station, and let's go to the end here, and we'll just stop at 2150. Specify the offset from the alignment. Now, the alignment goes counterclockwise, so if I say offset to the right 50, I just type in 50. To go to the left would be negative 50, but we'll just do 50 here. And notice that the interval was set for me for every 10, and it drew in my points. So it quickly added a ton of trees. You could add trees every 50 feet, every 100 feet, and quickly place all the trees that you need using points. And of course, if points are associated to a point group or are using the correct raw description and with a description key, you can put them on the right layer and even have the point symbol look correctly with the right size tree in the drawing using points. So points aren't just for creating existing information. We can also use them for quick layout of our design.